Okay, let's move to the chapter number 3. Examine the evidence using graphs and statistics. Okay, for example, this chapter, I have some symbols. The star symbol means important section, and the sorry, I forgot that in English. And the general section, I mean it's general. But today's chapter number 2.3. I think that's important. That's important. Okay, let's move to the chapter number 3. I'm going to copy and paste to online group. Okay. Okay, let's move to chapter 3.1, measures of center, and chapter 3.2, that's measures of spread. Next, ranking. All of those three sections are very important, and they are the basis for next chapter. Okay, let's check this 3.1. Okay, there are several definitions here. The first one, mode, M-O-D-E. Sure, my English is Taiwanese accent, so okay. Pardon my English. The mode and the median and mean. Mode, median, and mean. We can call it 3M, like the big company 3M. Okay. Mode is the data value that occurs the most frequently in the data. Again, the definition, the mode, the value occurs the most frequently in the data. It appears the most times. To find it, you can count how often each data value occurs and then determine which data value occurs the most often. Okay. The second one, median. Median is the data value in the middle of a sorted list of data. Again, after we sorting a data, we can find a middle. That is called a median. That's called a median. Sure, in our language, we have our translation to this one, but in English, it's called a median. To find it, you put the data in order from big to small, small to big, either one is okay. And then determine which data value is in the middle of the data set. And the third term, mean is arithmetic average of the numbers. This is the center of the most people called average. Mean, sure, mean has different meaning. The average is one meaning. Mean is what do you mean? Or meaning is it means is tool. It's a tool. Okay. The center that most people call the average. Through all three, mean, median, and mode, really are averages. Okay, and now there are no symbols for the mode and the median. Only texts, mode and median. Okay, but the mean is used a great deal. The statisticians give a symbol. There are actually two symbols. Okay, please concentrate. Just 1 minute. Two symbols to represent mean. One for the population perimeter and one for sample statistic. Okay, one for population, one for sample. In most cases, you cannot find the population perimeter, so you can use sample statistic to estimate the population perimeter. Okay, let's come here. Population mean, the symbol is mu. What does it mean? The sum of x, then divided by the number, pronounced mu, okay? Where the capital N is the size of the population. X represents a data value, and sigma s means to add up all the data values. So you will understand why the first time. Okay, excuse me. How many students here? I will ask it twice. One, you know how to run a sigma. Second, you don't know how to run the sigma. Okay, the first question. You know how to calculate the sigma. Please wipe your hand. One. Okay. You don't know how to calculate this math symbol. Please wipe your hand. Okay, it's my duty. Okay. I was an international student. I studied abroad. I know that I'm sorry. I'm not the president of Taiwan, so I welcome everyone come here to study. And I will tell you this one how to do that. Actually, in our course, very rare chance to use the real sigma. But it's a very important concept. Okay, thank you. Let's move to next definition. Sample mean. Okay, compared to the previous one, it's called population mean. The second one called the sample mean. What is the difference between those two? The simple is for example, I want to know the average height in all people in Taiwan. It's about 23 million people. It's impossible to get the population mean from all population in Taiwan, including the local students, so including local people, international students, international businessmen. It's impossible. But if we have chance to select some people from different area, different population, different group, different religion, different country in Taiwan, it's called sample, and the average is called the sample mean. Okay, so previous in the text it said it's impossible, it's difficult to get the population mean. This time, sure, if I have changed, I define the population is whole class here. It's easy. We just spend 1 hour to measure your height or your body weight, then I can get the population. But if the population is whole people in Taiwan, 23 million, oh, it's a bigger work. And now we can use a sample. Okay. In other words, it's difficult to get the whole population, and we compromise. We use the sample. A little bit smaller number, easier work, and less expensive. Okay. Now, sample mean here that is called X bar, where the small case n is the size of sample, x, the same x represents a data value, sigma s the same, add up all the data values. Okay. And now let's practice the example 3.13. Please find the mean, median, and mode. Okay. The first time, please do that by your hand. I think you have time. In the future, I will share several great websites. You just copy the information here and paste it and click start calculate. In 1 second, you will get everything you need, including median, mode, means, standard deviation, number. You can get everything you want, but not at this time. I know, I know you can do that. I will tell you how to do that, but not as a promise. I promise I will tell you. But you need to learn the concept and rethink the definition. Is okay? Okay. And now we have several numbers: 6.8, 8.2, 7.5, 9.4, 8.2. And first question: find the mean, the median, and the mode of weight of a cat. 5 cats, right? 5 weights, and find the mean, the median, and the mode. If I were you, I will open a Google Office and Google Excel and type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you can type it in a vertical direction. Then I will tell you how to calculate that this one. Okay, do it now. Type number, and number, 5 numbers in Google Excel, Google Office. Then I will tell you how to calculate mean, median, and mode. Okay, okay. Okay, here, and I create a new sheet. Chapter 3.1, 3.1, how to find the mean, As I mentioned, here I copy the example, paste, okay, then example 3.1.1, and the link is here. Okay, then the question, as I mentioned, I suggest you to type it in a direction, vertical way, 6.8, 8.2, 7.5, 9.4, and then 8.2. Okay? Manually input the number here. Sure, if you're smart enough or if you are experienced, you can copy the number. Why? Now it's listed as vertical direction, but it was horizontal. Why? I don't know why. Yeah, see, when I copy and paste it, it becomes this one. Yeah, sure. If you want to copy and paste it, you can select this function. transpose, edit, paste spatial, then select transposed. Then the direction from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From vertical direction, horizontal direction becomes vertical direction. Got it lost. Again, okay. Because you see here, I just copy and paste that I got those, right? If I click here, then because the original direction of the data was in a horizontal direction, right? Now I copy and paste, I select here, click it, then edit, paste spatial, and transposed. Then, get it? I copy the original data from the textbook. It's in a left to right direction. I select edit, paste spatial, then transposed. The direction becomes from up to down. Transposed. Sure, not only graphic and drawing, you can write down those digital skills. They are very useful. And next, I want to select whole range as in the gray area. Then I use data, sort range. I select the green area. I just make a copy, another copy of the number. Original it was in yellow, and now I have a copy in green. And I select the green. I click the data and sort the range, and if I want to the number listed as increasing, I select from A to Z, sure it's increasing. I want to the number listed from big to small, big number to small number, I can select Z to A. Either one is okay, but maybe the A to Z from small number to larger number is more common. Okay, click it here. Then I get number 6.8, 7.5, 8.2, 8.2, and 9.4. Original five case weights listed from small to big. Okay, copy and edit, copy spatial and transpose. Go back again. Copy and edit, copy spatial. Why weird? Let me upgrade your mouse. Click Okay, and now that question, find, please find the mean. Where is that? Okay, where is the mean? Mean to add all numbers together, 6.8, 8.2, 7.5, 9.4, and this one, and divided by the number 5 case, and the mean, or we can call average, is 8.02 pounds. Okay, and now let me tell you how to do this. Either one is okay. If I use this one, I can click equal, then sum, SUM in lowercase or capital are okay, and a parenthesis. I select parentheses from the first cell to the number 5 cell, D6 to D10, and click enter. Thus, the sum of those 5 numbers is 40.1. That is one way. Sure, later I know some of you already know how to do that. And here, I click here, I can select equal this number divided by 5 and click enter, and I got the mean at 0.02. Is it okay for you? Sure, if you are experienced, I will tell you here. You can click cell here, then select function, click equal, click f of x, okay. Did you know what I'm doing now? Okay, if I select the pink cell, then I select insert function. I can select average, have an empty cell. Click on the cell, move to insert, insert function. And I select all. I select average. Then click. You got the answer. And sure, you got it. You didn't got the answer yet. And there is a empty space between two parentheses. Then select the range. Select the range. It shows the range is from D6 to D10. Click enter and you got the average. Easy, right? And next definition, mode, M-O-D-E, mode. What does it mean? The number, the value appears most frequently. 6.8 appears once, 7.5 once, 8.2 twice, 9.4 once. So which one comes more frequently? 8.2. Thus, mode is 8.2. Done. Oh, so easy. No, because we have only five cats, 5 weights. If we have 100 or 1 million data set like this one, it's impossible to come. We need to use cat. Okay, and now the most important part is here. Most important part. What is the median? Let's check the definition again. The median. The median. The median is the data value in the middle of a sorted list of data. To find it, you put a data in order. In order, we have finished that. Then determine which value is in the middle of the data. Okay, that's the definition, right? Let's check our number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is in the middle? This one, I highlighted with the light yellow, light blue. So the median is 8.2. Easy, right? No, actually, we don't have time this time, but next time I will explain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have other number. What does it mean? Other number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. How about even number? Even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And for the other number, the middle person, the middle one is easy to find. But how about the even number? The middle is just a boundary between two persons, right? You need to get the average from the upper one and lower one. I will explain it next time. Is it okay? How about finish this part? Okay, and now I will not give more information about this. I will stop here, and we can review today's plotting skills. Is it okay?